Hi, this is Samuel Hazelden. This is my teaching demonstration video for the DU Teacher Education Program 2020. For this lesson, we'll be learning about phases of the moon. And our objective is by the end of this, students will be able to understand how the moon's shape appears to change in a predictable pattern, the moon calendar, and use a model to explain what causes the phases of the moon. So, in this model, this is our moon, the lamp is the sun, and our head is the earth. So class, what's wrong with our model here? What's wrong with the scale of the different parts of our model? That's right, first off, the earth is a whole lot smaller than the sun, as is the moon. So the moon to our earth is a little relevant, but moon to sun and earth to sun is way, way off. So remember that with our model. Now, if you could turn and talk in pairs, let's talk about what do you think causes the different shadows on the moon, the different phases of the moon. So turn and talk with a pair. Each of you come up with what you think the right answer is, and then we'll discuss as a class about what we think the right answer is altogether. That's right. So the moon's shadow on itself. That's what causes the different phases of the moon and the different parts of the moon that we can see throughout the month. So let's investigate, okay? Everyone hold out their moon to the left of them. And now as we move just a little bit to the left, bringing our moon further back behind us, we should start to see a part of our moon get brighter and brighter. And this, what does this look like, students? That's right, this is the crescent moon phase. Can everybody see that shiny part of their moon with a rounded shadow? It's the crescent moon phase. So keep moving it back to your left. As you move it further, which part of your moon gets brighter? What happens to the shadow on your moon? Does it get smaller, or does your shadow grow bigger? As you move it further behind you, the shadow grows smaller. The brightly lit side grows brighter. And now this is the quarter moon phase, where about a third to a quarter of your moon is lit up and the rest is in shadow. As you bring it further back, a little over half of the moon is lit up now. Does anybody know what this phase is called? This is called the gibbous phase. And as we come all the way around and hold our moon right opposite the sun, the moon should be fully lit up. And what is this called? This is, of course, a full moon. Now let's think about this. During a full moon, where is the moon in relation to the sun? Is it in between the sun and the earth, or on the opposite side of the earth from the sun? It is, of course, on the opposite side of the earth from the sun. So it's moon, earth, sun in that order. This is how a full moon occurs as it comes all the way around, doing its full rotation. What happens to your moon? Does it get brighter as it moves toward the sun, or does it get darker? Keep moving it. That's right, it gets darker, and it's going to go back through each of those phases, starting with our gibbous, quarter, crescent, and then if we put the moon directly in between the earth and the sun, not directly in between, but somewhere in between, what happens to our moon? That's right, it's completely in shadow. What is this called? This is called a new moon. And this is when the moon is in between the sun and the earth, and we can't see it at all. Now if we move our moon directly in between the sun and the earth, if we close one eye and we block the sun with the moon, anybody know what that's called? Not a lunar eclipse, but a solar eclipse, that's right. And we'll get into that next time. Good job today.